Welcome to the EasyListCreator.com. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a list, whether it's a grocery list, a shopping list, to-do list, any kind of list you can think of creating, you can easily do with this List Creator tool. It's really easy, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'll give you a rundown. So go ahead and first let's sign up. So click up in the upper right hand corner, the sign up link, and go ahead and enter your information, name, email address, then get a password in there. And once you do that, next time you come in, log in, all your lists are going to be right there ready for you. So we're going to go ahead and right there it says add new list because you don't have any yet. So click that link and go ahead and put a list name. We're going to create a simple grocery list right here. So we got grocery. Go ahead and click on the grocery blue box and you can add a category. So we'll go ahead and add a couple categories. Produce, we'll click and add a dairy category. Once we have those under each category, just click the category name and you can go ahead and add your items under that category. So under produce, we'll put some apples. We'll put a couple of things under here. We'll go ahead and put some celery. Maybe add one more. Let's put some blueberries in here. All right, and under dairy, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add the items under the dairy category, like milk. And maybe some cheese. Now, if you want to change the name, go ahead and click on the actual item, like cheese, and see those tabs. You can click the rename tab, and you can go ahead and rename it to something else. We'll put shredded cheese in there. So now once we have these, and when you're in the grocery store shopping, as you're putting items in your basket, go ahead and click the hide button so it gets it out of the way, makes it clutter free so you know what you've already got in your cart. Then at the end, when you're done and you're ready for the next week, go ahead and click the show all hidden items link and you'll see that they reappear. So you don't have to re-enter these every time you want to go to the grocery store. They're there. So it saves time. You can see you can rearrange the items and the categories. Now, if you want to share this list with friends or family, go ahead and enter your name and put their email address. What that will do is send an invitation email to them, and they could click a link whether they have an account or not, and it'll automatically log them right in, and they'll be ready to share. And you can see this icon next to the grocery list. That means that list is now shared. So let's go ahead and create a shopping list. This list is just going to have items without categories. So we're going to go ahead and add an item. Let's put some paper towels. We'll add one more item. Let's put some shampoo. Now if you want to delete an item, go ahead and just click on the item and select the delete tab. And it's permanently gone. So we'll go ahead and add something back, something that we really need, and that's probably toilet paper. And then you can rearrange priority-wise, whatever is more important. So as you can see, that is it. That's how easy it is. There's our list. The grocery is a shared list. The shopping is not shared. So that's how simple it is. So go ahead and get started creating your list. It is that simple. And hopefully you enjoy it. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys.